In my video guide, I will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called RozbehOfSatan. RozbehOfSatan. The video will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware affects the files and what it does with the files. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documents. Regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called RozbehOfSatan may be easily injected into the device. And then pretty soon people realize that something really bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts these files and it's not possible to use them anymore. You try to open the specific file and you just cannot open the file. Pretty soon people see a special ransom note that tells that their files have been damaged and encrypted. And now you can see why exactly this ransomware is called like that. It actually gives you a special pop-up window mentioning that it is called RozbehOfSatan. It says all files have been encrypted by RozbehOfSatan ransomware. It tells that you need to pay a special ransom to restore access to your files. Indeed, it's not possible to use these files anymore. The ransomware has in mind to persuade people to waste money. There is no guarantee that their files would be restored even if the ransom is paid. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager. If you find any suspicious processes like this one, right click on it and end its task to stop the further file encryption. Then I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the application, and then begin carefully researching and investigating your system with the help of Combo Cleaner and antivirus. The program is initially in the trial mode, only the quick scan option is available. So you need to click on this start scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. The update procedure might take some minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection.